Hello friends, today we will discuss how to set date and time in Windows 7 because when we install Windows 7 on system or laptop we have to set date and time zone according to our own country or time zone. Let's see how we can set date and time zone. Here are two procedures from which we can set date and time. First one is go to task bar and see here date and time. Right click on it and then click on adjust date and time. If we click on it, then here we see date and time. First one is date. Here is date Wednesday, September 28, 22. If we want to change date and time, then we have to click change date and time setting. Here we can set date, like we can move forward backward, we can change month, we can also change year, like these are the summary of month and these are the summary of year. We can, if we want to quickly move forward or reverse, we can change from this arrow, backward arrow and forward arrow. If we want to click 2022 and select month of September and then select 28, and if we want to set time, then we click on it, like we can up and down, and same like AM or PM we can change from here. This is the setting of date and time. We can also change calendar setting. Click on here and this is the date format. We will discuss in some other topic because this is a detailed topic. Here we will only discuss date and time, how to set date and time. Okay, then second option is time zone. How we can change time zone. Click on change time zone. Here are different time zones are available, like if we want to change according to our country, then we can select here, like here I will select Islamabad, Karachi, Pakistan, then click OK. Then after the setting, then I will click on OK. We can also set date and time through control panel. Go to start menu, then control panel. Here we see regional and language option. Click on it and go to additional settings. Here we see date and time. We can set time here. It's a short time and long time, long format and short format we can set, and this tab is date, and we can set date to current date. This is the way how we can set date and time in Windows 7. I think you understand all the procedure. If you have any query, you can write in comments. I will give you answer to your queries. Thank you. Bye.